Hi, I'm Chef Stephen Putnam with Chartwells, and today we're going to be making open-faced Caprese sandwiches. Some of the fresh produce items are from Eastbrook Elementary Community Garden. Let's get started. Today we're going to be using an olive focaccia bread. Now you can use any bread you would like for this recipe. Now we need to cut our tomatoes. Now we need to pick a few of the basil leaves that we got from the community garden. Now I'm going to take a little bit of olive oil and just put it on our bread there. We're going to take tomato, fresh mozz, and some of our basil. And we're just going to layer that and do it all over again. And top that with a little bit of salt and pepper, a little bit more olive oil, and we'll do that with the other half.
Hi, my name is Kara and I'm the district's dietitian. This Caprese sandwich is a great use of fresh produce. Community gardens, such as the ones that we have in Pike Township, are a super affordable way to add nutrient-packed produce to your diet.
Now we need to put it into a 350-degree oven for 6 to 10 minutes. Now that it's out of the oven, we just need to top it with our balsamic. Delicious.